VinAudit Car Check Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get used car checks wrong. They rely solely on seller claims. The surprising truth about VinAudit is that it provides detailed vehicle history reports quickly and affordably, and you won't believe how much you could save by spotting hidden issues before buying. Here's how it works. VinAudit uses a vehicle's VIN to access records about accidents, title history, odometer readings, and recalls. Reports are easy to read and highlight potential red flags, helping buyers make informed decisions. For example, a buyer considering a 2018 sedan could discover past flood damage or rolled back mileage before finalizing the purchase. Most people get this wrong. They assume visually inspecting a car is enough, but history reports uncover hidden problems that could be costly. Additional features include instant report delivery, secure online access, and support for all U.S. vehicles. Users praise affordability, accuracy, and the peace of mind it provides when negotiating or deciding on a purchase. However, there are considerations. Some minor issues may not appear in public records, and VinAudit focuses on U.S. vehicles primarily. Most people assume a report guarantees a perfect vehicle. Always combine it with a mechanical inspection for best results. In conclusion, VinAudit is ideal for used car buyers who want an affordable, reliable way to verify vehicle history and avoid expensive surprises. Subscribe for more honest reviews of car check services and automotive tools.